Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. If you have been following our daily MCQ series till now, then you would be knowing what we are doing here right now. I'm providing you with 15 MCQs in jumbled format from all of the chapters of class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology so that you are able to crack the upcoming NEET exam with confidence by practicing these little extra MCQs over other students. So without wasting much time, let's get started with 15 MCQs for today. Question number 1. Clitoris in mammals is homologous to penis, analogous to penis, functional penis in females, non-functional penis in males. Clitoris in mammals is. Correct answer is option A. It is a homologous structure to penis. Question number 2. Example of primary pollutant is SO2, NO2, CO or all of these. Example of primary pollutant is. Correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 3. The source of energy in an ecosystem is ATP, sunlight, DNA or RNA. Source of energy in an ecosystem is. Correct answer is sunlight. Sunlight is the ultimate source of energy from which the plants or the producers provide energy to the different levels of the consumers. Question number 4. The Red Data Book maintains a record of plants and animals present in whole world, relationship between man and biosphere, plants and animals which are known to be endangered, or option D, forest wealth in the whole world. Red Data Book maintains a record of. The correct answer is option C. It maintains a record of plants and animals that are known to be endangered. Question number 5. First cloned animal. Dolly the sheep, dog, mule or cat. First animal which was cloned. Correct answer is option A. Dolly sheep. Question number 6. Pyramid of energy in a pond ecosystem is always inverted, linear, upright, irregular. Pyramid of energy in a pond ecosystem is always. The correct answer is option C, upright. Now remember this, pyramid of energy, whether it's a pond ecosystem or a land ecosystem or any type of ecosystem, is always upright. And why is it so? Because of the 10% law. Question number 7. Triple antigen or DPT is meant for a vaccine against malaria, typhoid and cancer, mixture of viruses that causes common cold, polio and hepatitis, a vaccine against polio, rabies, hepatitis, or option D, a vaccine against tetanus, whooping cough and diphtheria. Correct answer is option D. DPT stands for diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. So it is a vaccine against tetanus. Pertussis is also known as whooping cough and diphtheria. Question number 8. The prenatal detection of genetic disorders can be carried out by which of the following processes can be used to detect genetic disorders prenatally before the child is born? Laparoscopy, amniocentesis, X-rays or CT scans? Correct answer is option B, amniocentesis. Question number 9. Homologous organs have same morphology and different function, no common ancestral origin, different morphology and function but common ancestral origin, same morphology and function. Correct answer is option C. They have different morphology and function but they originate as a common ancestral origin. Question number 10. Domestication of silkworm is known as sericulture, pisciculture, apiculture or horticulture. Domestication of silkworm is called as. Correct answer is option A. It is called as sericulture. What is pisciculture? Domestication of fish. What is apiculture? Domestication of honeybees. What is horticulture? It is cultivation of vegetables. Question number 11. Fragrant flowers with well-developed nectaries are adapted for anemophily, hydrophily, entomophily or zoophily. Fragrant flowers with well-developed nectaries are adapted for which type of pollination? Correct answer is option C, entomophily, that is pollination via insects. Question number 12. T4 bacteriophage has a gene for enzyme lysozyme. The function of this enzyme is to digest the bacterial cell wall, bacterial cell membrane, enzymes, glycogen. T4 bacteriophage, it is a virus which infects the bacteria. It has a gene which codes for an enzyme lysozyme. What is the function of this enzyme? Correct answer is option A. Its function is to digest the bacterial cell wall. Why is it so? Because it wants to inject, the T4 bacteriophage wants to inject its genetic material into the bacterial cell, and for that it needs to digest the bacterial cell wall. So for this purpose it has the enzyme lysozyme. Question number 13. When a cross is made between F1 hybrid and recessive parent, it is said to be test cross, back cross, hybrid cross, or dihybrid cross. F1 hybrid with a recessive parent. Correct answer is option A. It is called as a test cross. Question number 14. A disease transferred from mother to child through placenta. German measles, syphilis, AIDS, or option D, all the above. Disease transferred from mother to child through placenta. Correct answer is option D. All these diseases can be transferred from mother to child through placenta. And what is German measles? Right, German measles is rubella. Question number 15. Golden rice is a transgenic crop of future with the following improvement trait. Which of the following trait is improved in golden rice? Insect resistance, high protein content, high vitamin A content, or option D, high lysine content. Correct answer is option C, high vitamin A content. Because of the presence of the carotene, the golden rice appears golden in color. That's how it got its name. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.